Hello, we're going to start with correcting our homework. I'll show you how to do the MLK color sheet, and then we'll look over what our homework for tonight should be. So let's start with page 305. We had 3, 4, and 5 on this page. Ignore the about part. You didn't need to do that. Remember, you just needed to find the actual quotients. So number 3 should have been 547, remainder 1. Number 4 should have been 799, remainder 1. And number 5 should have been 458, remainder 2. All right, then on the back side, we had number 11. You needed to find out how many seats are in each little box or area. 1,160 divided by 8 gets you 145. Yes, you need the word seats. 145 seats. All right, so that was our homework from yesterday. Now today, we're going to look over our MLK color sheet. So find this color sheet. I'm going to move my picture over there. Okay, so there's 2 pages in here. There's a lot more. Okay, so we're going to work with this first 2. The last 2 are kind of answer key, or the one is just about the product, not for anything we need. This one's an answer key. Don't look at that one yet. Okay, so we're going to use these first 2. The first thing we're going to need to do is solve all of these. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is get some sort of whiteboard. Get some sort of whiteboard or notebook paper. You can even probably use the back of one of those worksheets to help you. I'm going to do a whiteboard. So what I'm doing is I look at this problem first, the 108 divided by 9. And I'm going to set up my division problem. I'm going to do the box way that we did yesterday. So I'm going to set up my boxes. Looking back, if I forget, 108. So I need 3 boxes. 108, and it was divided by 9. Now I think through my does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? I might also want to write out my first few multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54. The first 5 or 6 is usually good. Now I start with the first box. 1 divided by 9. Well, can't do that, so I say 0. Then we just divided, now we multiply. 0 times 9 is 0. Now we can subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Double check my work. 0 times 9, yep. 1 minus 0, yep. All right, now I can bring down or bring over my numbers. So I'll bring my 1 up. So now I'm really working with 10. Now I'm thinking 10 divided by 9. I restart my does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Okay. Now I'm thinking 10 divided by 9. Well, the closest I can get without going over is 9. So that was just 1 time. Now I multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. I subtract. 10 minus 9, I get 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring it on over to make 18. Now I divide again. 18 divided by 9. Well, I can get exactly 18. And that took 2 tries. 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 18 is 0. So my quotient is on the top is 12. Looking back at my worksheet now, I would want to lightly color in the box that says 12 going across, or I can circle it too, so I know that that's my answer, whatever's easier. You do not have to color these ones the colors that they are. Okay, so then I go through and solve all these. Let's just say I'm just picking random ones. These are not the right ones, okay? So I go through and find all those answers. Now on the picture, there's little colors for each person, or each part of it. I look back, and where I see a number 1, I'm looking for problem number 1's answer. Oh, it says light brown. So I would color in, that's as close as I can really get, number ones. Oh, didn't I pick it? There we go. All right, so I'd color in all those number ones. Better color in them as well as color all of those ones light brown. Then I'd come back and look at number two's answers. Well, two, I found out when I did my fake math that they should be colored in black. So then I look for all those number twos. Number twos. Oh, like on his tie. I'd color those in black. You're going to want to do this on actual paper, not like I'm doing on the computer, okay? So that's how you do this. You find all your division problems first, and then you use the answer to color in the number of the problem. And it's going to color a picture of Martin Luther King Jr., okay? So you have this. We also did extra math and prodigy. If you have time, do those. And we did catch-up time on our task cards and our solve and sort. So if you need to finish those up, make sure to get those done as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thanks for joining.